Traveling the world on a small budget may seem like an impossible task to many, but it's a dream that has become a reality for me. Over the past 30 years, I've been traveling constantly. I've been able to explore different cultures and countries without breaking the bank. I want to share the tips and tricks with you. First and foremost, I rely heavily on Airbnb and a company called Trusted House Sitters to find affordable accommodation while traveling. By staying with locals or taking care of their pets and homes, I am able to save a significant amount of money compared to staying in hotels. Plus, these platforms allow me to immerse myself in the local culture and gain a deeper understanding of the country I'm visiting. When it comes to flights, I'm normally booked direct with airlines rather than through agents. I I use applications like Skyscanner I for the route and then find out who the agents are. Then when I've found the agents usually tell us which airlines. Then I go directly to the airlines, saving me mass amounts of money because even the baggage allowance, agents, you're going to a third party. So agents are going to charge you a bit more. They're going to take their cut, aren't they? And I also are able to accumulate frequent flyer miles for future trips or promotions. Additionally, I try to find cheaper logistical traveling options such as buses or trains instead of taking taxis or renting cars. To support my travels financially, I have a variety of income streams. I work online mostly because I travel from country to country. I have a VPN as well, so I can use the internet and all the resources in any country that I'm staying in. Teaching English, selling downloadable products like lesson plans. I also sell a bit of real estate on a commission basis. I also sell, I also build and certain websites on travel, which I've done in the past and sold per flipper. These are multiple sources of income. Ensure that I don't have all my eggs in one basket. Okay, so one month I might have a slow month on working online teaching, but I have a good month on selling my products. So I live within my means, and it's also been essential for me, allowing me to travel long term. I avoid staying in any capital cities or tourist attractions because obviously the price is going to go up. Okay. And instead opt for cheaper countries such as Southeast Asia mainly. Or if I'm in Europe, I'll go to Turkey, Bulgaria, where I am at this present time. Or I've just come through North Macedonia. I also travel off the beaten track and engage in free outdoor activities instead of always paying for tourist attractions. There's a lot of freebies out there, walking the beaches. When it comes to food, I try and eat in and cook for myself rather than always eating out, okay? But if I do eat out, especially in Southeast Asia, it's sometimes cheaper to eat out than it is to actually cook in and eat yourself, okay? Additionally, I always research and take advantage of the 90-day visa-free entry offered by many countries. There's a lot of countries out there that give you 3 months. I learn the basics of the local language. I possibly know 17 different languages for how are you? Okay, ni hao ma, Mandarin, such as hello and how much. Also, it helps me to communicate better with the locals and potentially save money. And it opens many doors if you know the basics. And it's not hard, okay? It's not hard at all, okay? One of the most important things I have learned, though, is not to treat my travels as being a tourist, because we can forget. We're not there for 2 weeks. We're constantly traveling. So I try to immerse myself in the local culture at all times and learn about the country beyond the typical tourist spots by stepping out of my comfort zone and trying new things. I've had unforgettable experience and made lasting memories. Finally, I've always had a small nest egg for emergencies. Unexpected expenses can arise while travelling, and having some savings set aside can make all the difference. And it takes the pressure off of it. Okay, how am I going to afford next month's rent? Okay, pressure. Okay, overall, staying positive, be resourceful, and thinking outside of the box has always been the key to my successful long-term travel experience. And I've been doing it now for 30 years. In conclusion, though, traveling the world on a small budget is possible with some creativity and careful planning. By utilizing platforms such like Airbnb and Trusted House Sitters, finding affordable transportation options, and diversifying income streams. You can also, too, embark on the journey of a lifetime. Remember to live within your means, immerse yourself in the local culture, and stay open minded to new experiences. You can do it. If I can do it, you can do it. Okay. Happy travels, everybody. Happy travels. Bye bye. I hope those tips. Please subscribe. Thank you.